Good morning, everyone. I am Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I am a great freedom fighter of India. People loudly call me Netaji. I love my country very much. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Nivesh. I am studying 3rd standard A section. Now I am going to perform about freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I am a national freedom fighter of India. I am born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. People call me Netaji Viplov. You know what it I say? Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Jai Hind. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first main minister of India. He freedom fighter of India. Past of non-alignment. Chacha Nehru was cause of love of children. My name is Subhash Chandra Bose. I am born on January 23, 1897. I am served as the campus as the president in 1938 and 1939. Subhash Chandra Bose formed as the Azad Hind Radio from Berlin. Thank you. Today I say Independence Day. கப்பல் ஓட்டிய தமிழர் was celebrate all